Hi everybody, welcome to Demo, the show where companies come in and they show us their latest products and platforms. Today I'm joined by Rodan Zadeh. He is the Director of Product at Apptio, which is an IBM company. Welcome to the show, Rodan.
Thank you.
All right, so I think initially when we set this up, you were not an IBM company, but in the process of getting this scheduled, IBM purchased you.
Yeah.
Hopefully, did you get it? Oh, I'm not even going to ask if you had some of that money. But tell us a little bit about Apptio and then how it relates to the IBM purchase, the integration, that kind of stuff, and then what you're going to show us here today.
Yeah, absolutely. So first of all, thank you for having me on the show. Apptio is a recent acquisition by IBM, as you mentioned, and our portfolio products, as shown here, are focused on investing in the technology space. So it's all around technology business management, managing the business of technology. What is interesting is it actually has a fantastic fit to the overall IT automation group within IBM. So what I'm showing here is our call to action, our raison d'etre is to provide our customers the ability to build these intelligent apps. And our way of thinking about it through the life cycle of the app is before you really want to build something, you want to understand what is the investment aspect, where is the business of IT, and be able to manage that as you go through. So the investment part is a big part, but it's building, deploying, and managing. As you see here in the portfolio, there are several other IBM products that fit in very nicely with what we're trying to do here. So it's a perfect fit in the larger portfolio of what IBM is doing within their IT automation group.
Right, and I see the IBM QubeCost. We had them on the show before they got purchased by IBM. It doesn't require, like, if someone's interested in the Apptio part of it, they don't have to then invest in any of these other things.
Not. Right.
They could still just use the Apptio part, right?
Absolutely.
Okay, good.
Yep.
But if they want to, obviously there's these other
they're
apps
complementary.
as well. So what are you showing us today? I believe you're showing us strategic portfolio management.
Yep.
Okay. We're going to get to that.
Yep.
But then mainly, who is this designed for within the enterprise?
Yeah. So typically, our customers are the enterprise PMOs. This is the Program Management Office.
Okay.
As well as many of the C-suite folks that are responsible for the strategy or the digital transformation or the overall looking at where are we investing our money? Do we have the right resources in deploying a certain technology? So understanding the technology aspect, understanding the strategy aspect and connecting to the technology that they're building. So from the highest level to the actual build component.
Okay, so is this fair to say where it helps CIOs and IT leaders and the finance teams understand where their technology spending is going and how, it's all about, and what kind of impact it's having on the company?
Yes, it's investment in financial aspect. So exactly, you're right. It's the cost, understanding the cost, being able to show that to the other organizations. So doing things like showback or chargeback as the IT becomes that service provider. But it's also understanding the resources from a people perspective.
Okay.
So who are the different folks that are involved in the process of building the specific technology? And how do we manage the work that they're doing in a way that we understand the financial aspect of what it's costing us, from the cost of teams that are managing it, to also understanding what are the different costs that we have in our infrastructure or in our cloud spend.
All right, so if you want to talk about strategic portfolio management, sorry about that. Go. So what is that that you're going to be then showing me?
So as I mentioned, the idea around what we do is giving a holistic view of what is taking shape in the technology domain, what you're building. Understanding at the highest level the strategy, but also what is the implementation component? What are the people delivering at the end of the day? What is the work that's being done? So what I'm sharing with you here is really this idea that you mentioned, who are you selling to? The kind of solution that we offer are for the CIOs, the CFOs, as you mentioned. It's really aggregating a lot of these different data sources. So you see here Workday, for example. You have SAP. You have other Jira, which is where work is done. Bringing all of these different disparate systems together and giving a complete view of what is taking shape in their domain.
Okay.
So a CIO or a chief transformation officer has an idea, okay, if I want this program to work, what are the different aspects that I could understand from Workday, who are the people that are doing the job, from SAP, what are the different departments that they're representing, what different components we're buying, what is the ERP, just understanding the enterprise spend that they have overall, and putting it on together so they could give a holistic view of strategy to implementation.
Okay, and so they've already had the cloud and the DevOps in the FinOps area, IT finance and app owners for financial management, and strategic portfolio management, PMO. I think you mentioned it. What is this program?
It's the Program Management Office.
Program Management Office. Okay.
Yep. They're responsible for making sure that the organization as a whole is delivering, and in some ways, they're responsible for the project. They're the project managers of all the things that this organization wants to do, from soup to nuts.
So is this something that really just an enterprise company is looking at? You wouldn't see like a mom and pop shop needing this or using this, right?
No, typically not, right? You might see other capabilities that may be embedded in this product used, but typically it is an enterprise tool, and that's who we sell to.
It would be a company that had a project management office, right?
Right.
Okay, so there's one more thing, one more slide we're going to see.
Yeah. So
this is what strategic portfolio management is.
This is what I wanted to share with the audience today. In talking about when we say SPM, short for strategic portfolio management, what do we really mean? And the way we think of it is understanding at the highest level what is the objective, what are the key goals that the corporation wants to have, and trickling that information down to the level that the teams and the resources associated with that are being put to use to deliver that vision. And managing everything in between, so it's not just the data flowing down, but it's also everyone has a complete visibility as to what's happening.
Is this a new approach for companies, or have they been working on this for a while? Is it an evolution, or is it something that you're helping solve a problem where they may have been using spreadsheets or other systems, or like you had all of those products over there on the left, and they were probably using all of those, but they were never kind of coalescing together, right?
Very well said. This is a very important question. Today, the way strategy is managed by these executives is basically through PowerPoint, through Excel sheets, because the information is coming from different departments. Each of those departments have their own way of describing what they're trying to achieve. What is their KPI? What is their key performance indicators? And ultimately, may be measuring things differently, and there is no cohesion in how they do it. Yes, so today, it's PowerPoint, an Excel sheet, and it's a bunch of conversations around that where the truth is not necessarily shared among all of the different organizations.
Okay, so let's see a demo real quick, okay?
Okay, sounds great. So what I want to share with you is, as I mentioned, you start with the overall corporate objectives. What are the executives looking to do? What are the goals that they have? And in this case, there are three goals, distinct goals that is their prerogative, it's their momentum in terms of delivering, right? So develop AI solution, grow sales and pipeline, and increase new logos. And then lastly, retain and grow talent. Again, a very high-level C-level executive. But under each of those are actual specific objectives. So for example, develop AI solutions. Under that develop AI solution, which is our high-level goal, what you see, these are several strategic objectives. For example, enhance machine learning models, boost AI and machine language adoption, update, replace specific legacy operating systems, and a whole bunch of others. If I double-click on this, I could actually see exactly what is the overall progress of each of these initiatives that is part of our overall boosting the AI adoption. And again, this has several different key results that we're looking for. So against these three metrics, there is a net promoter score, there is actually understanding what is the AI adoption from a percentage perspective, and then are we reaching a score that is at 85, and this is our own measure of what that is. So at any given time, you could get to the level of understanding what are the key performance, what are the key results that each of these specific objectives as they're related to the overall corporate strategy have. And you could actually see all of that information here as well in, if you don't want to double click, the information is available there as well.
And then you've got like a red, yellow, and green.
Exactly.
So is it, if you looked at that and you were like, oh, this is red, could you then drill down a little bit and then see why it's red or what you need to do to help get into that next step?
Yeah, very good question. So what are the different initiatives that this specific Bolster Security with AI has, and how are we doing? So each of these initiatives are related to a specific portfolio. So for example, this one is our digital transformation portfolio. The other one is a portfolio that's managed by HR.
Okay.
So you could understand exactly what are the different organizations that are managing those portfolio, where are they, what are they doing, and go as deep as you want in terms of how are they doing. So in this case, you're seeing, okay, so the initiative that they're working on, Bolster Security, what is the overall score we want to give it? What impact does it have strategically to us? So not only do you understand what the bottleneck is, but understand, does this really impact us so much? Do I really want to go change some of these parameters? For example, do I want to give more resources to this? And if I do that, do I really improve overall our score? And the answer is no, you don't. So so this initiative is not a significant initiative in terms of what it does for you, but a good question.
Yeah, and so this isn't like a thing where you're like, oh, we'll just throw more people at it, and this will tell you
exactly. You could see what the impact of that.
Does
would
it
be.
gather the information from all of these other systems?
That's exactly right. So this is real time.
It knows how things are going based on the usage of all of these other tools on the left part of that slide.
Left part of that
funnels them into this cool.
Exactly.
Almost like dashboard, but I don't want to say dashboard because I think that
it is really a dashboard.
Okay.
At this level, you're looking at the dashboard, but you're not limiting at looking at the dashboard. So you could actually, as the executive in charge, you could see what are the different requests that are coming in. So in this case, we wanted to throw more people at it.
Yeah.
Well, what if there's other resources that we could throw at it? And here is really this wider, use the word dashboard, that gives you a view of how does each of these different, overall initiatives mean in terms of the value that it creates for me. In this case, I'm getting a score of 600 with this specific goal. And, maybe this is the one we want to go after ultimately. So you have all of those views, and you could really see, in this case, I'm looking at our portfolio for digital transformation. What are all these things that are either approved, the request for resources, or they're new things that have come and, you need to look at it. So, and understand exactly what is the impact they have. So you have at your disposal all of the information you need, and as you said, a lot of this information is coming from these disparate sources, to be able to say, you know what, I don't necessarily want to approve a given initiative that is not going to move the needle for me. I'd rather spend the money or spend my people resources doing something else. So having a holistic view to actually manage how you're deploying these technologies.
Right, and again, before all of this would have just been maybe gut feeling or Excel and
it would
PowerPoint
be Excel.
It
would be reports basically from those disparate systems. And someone somewhere would be in charge, some analyst would be in charge of putting these into PowerPoint and looking at, okay, what does this mean for me? And in some ways, for us, as we do these measurement, we give it these t-shirt size. So what are the resources we need? Is it a small number of resources? We could get very deep in terms of number of people, how many hours they work, what they work on, and I could show that. But at the highest level, you could even t-shirt size this, which is in some ways a standard way that all of these initiatives get measured together. So it gives you that standardization that you no longer are relying on people telling you, oh, this is an important project or this one is an important project. We could actually see the truth here in one place.
Now, is there analysis going on behind the scenes as well?
There's definitely analysis going on.
I don't know if I want to use this 2-letter acronym, but is there some AI in there as well, or is that coming?
A lot of the information that is here are causal information.
Okay.
So we actually want to say, if you have a team comprised of certain capabilities, certain number of people, what are their specific salary? What is it costing us? So you actually have a good understanding of the overall dollars, because these numbers really matter. So in terms of artificial intelligence, we're not necessarily creating new reality. We want to see what is the reality that we have. Now, you could do capabilities within AI that allow you to do some level of forecasting or thinking ahead, saying, what if I actually optimize different components? Timeline, there are really 3 main resources that at any given time you're dealing with. It's the dollar or the financial resources, it's the people resources, and the biggest resource of all is time.
Right.
So can you maybe deliver a project later than you would have otherwise delivered it? but optimize the time that those teams are spending on building a project, move them on to a different thing. And how do you play with all that? So AI can be used to do some of these scenario plans or scenario analysis.
All right. Got one more thing to show? Or a couple other things? What else you want to show?
There is so much to show here.
I know, we don't have enough time to go through everything.
So the key thing I want to take away is that I just shared maybe a 2% of the capability of Target Process when it comes to strategic portfolio management. Understanding how you could manage your teams, how you could deal with all of the different resources, and then at the end of the day, be able to have a roster or some way of stepping back and seeing how all of these things what are the different status you have. Getting that bird's eye view into your enterprise when it comes to rolling out the different initiatives. This is an essential tool that we have, and as I said, there's different dashboards, there are different capabilities that you could look in and see things from different lenses.
Is it more about the information that they're getting, or are they just getting it faster, like for the CIO level types? Is it just that, or is it something that they might not have seen before? Are they getting new ideas based on the stuff that you're showing them?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's all of the above.
Okay.
Because it's not only giving them complete transparency at a given time of what's happening, otherwise they don't have that, they don't have visibility, they don't understand what's going on, other than, as I said, some of the presentations they're seeing and different departments coming in asking for different funding. But it's also, they don't have access to getting this real time in one place. So instead of sitting through several different meetings in one go, real time understanding exactly what's going on. So that's what they're getting.
And sometimes the IT guys ask us this question too, is like, okay, well, this sounds great, but how long is this going to take me to install all of this stuff? I've got all of these different programs over here. How do I get that data to Apptio? Is it a relatively quick install, or is this isn't going to take like 2 years to do, is it?
No. This doesn't take years to accomplish. And really the answer to your question is it depends. It takes a lot less time to do it with our tool than it does with some of our peers. And we've seen this across many customers. But because this is a very capable tool, the amount of information that is fed into it and is integrated with really impacts what results you're getting. So it really depends, what different sources are you bringing in? Do you have all of access to all the different APIs and the tokens that you're getting from some of these vendors? So typically we see a 3 to at most 6 month integration period.
Yeah.
But it really depends on how deep you want to get.
Do you ever see any companies that say, oh, I can just do this myself internally, or we can just have our own developers try to do this, or?
Yeah, many companies think they could do it internally, and we've worked with them. Usually what happens is they realize that they've grown to a point where it's just maintaining what they've built is far more costly to them, that it just makes sense simply for them to subscribe to a product like this. And we're a SaaS product, so they're paying as they go, as opposed to all the capital investment of building a specific tool like that.
Right. And would this tool tell them that going manual is probably not the right? No, now you're getting into a rabbit hole if you started doing that. All right, so you've convinced me. So where can people go to try this out? Is there a trial or a free trial or anything like that?
Yeah, we work with our customers to deploy it in their environment, so we could actually help them do the demo better as opposed to downloading a trial. So go to Apptio.com Target Process, and you could easily see a place where you could put in your information and get one of our technical folks call you up and set up a demo that's specific to you.
All right, great stuff, Rodan. Thanks again for being on the show, and great demo.
Thank you.
That's going to do it for this week's episode. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, add any thoughts you have below. Join us every week for new episodes of Demo. I'm Keith Shaw. Thanks for watching.